Finding the right keyword for your new YouTube video could be challenging, but using keywords properly could be life-changing. Today in this video I'll show you how to choose the right keyword for your YouTube video. Guys, it's your boy Professor Mo, and this is Weekend with Professor, where I talk about my YouTube channel, mostly my YouTube journey, and I share my experience with you as a small content creator. Also, every week I show you my YouTube analytics as the channel grows, which I think is a cool thing because whatever I try, I show you the results. It's not like sharing my experience after having 100k subscribers and million views. Anyways, enough talking and let's get started. So if you are new into all these things, just like me when I started YouTube, I want to explain some stuff to you. I remember before I started YouTube, I watched a lot of tutorial videos from big content creators about getting started on YouTube, how to make your thumbnails, picking the right keywords, SEO, and a lot more. And then I told myself, hell yeah, I mastered it. I know what I'm doing and I'm ready to go. But when I started, I didn't follow those instructions exactly. I was just stressing the starting process, getting the idea, camera shyness, editing, and a lot of other stuff. I didn't even use them. I learned them, but I didn't use them. Or maybe I should say I just watched them. I didn't learn them exactly. Because if you learn something, you'll do it. You'll use it, right? After a while, I realized making a good content isn't just enough, and I need to study the game. I mean the whole YouTube thing. But this time my whole research was about SEO optimization, and I was just trying to understand it, how it works and how can I get the best result of it. That's actually when my channel started growing. Currently at this moment, this channel has 418 subscribers. It's not big, but it's a huge step for me and means a lot. To be honest, sometimes I'm like, wow, 418 subscribers, 300 views every video. It's insane, isn't it? Anyways, that's when actually I wanted to share my experience. I wanted to share the whole thing as I'm learning it. I told you my story just to let you know making a good video isn't just enough. Don't focus on just making a good video. You have to do more. Anyways, let's talk about SEO. The question of the day, what is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of taking steps to help a website or piece of content rank higher on Google. To make it a bit simpler, search engine optimization means taking a piece of online content and optimizing it so search engines like Google show it towards the top of the page when someone searches for something. Are we clear? You know what is SEO? Cool. Let's move on. And then the second question, which is the main one technically. How can you do these optimizations? Easy. By finding the right keyword and optimize your video with it. Thanks to Tubebuddy, finding the right keyword isn't difficult at all. You can do it by just a few clicks. So let's say you already got the extension for your browser and boom, it's just gonna be up here. You can click on it and you will see all the features down here. I actually have quite a few videos about Tubebuddy. You can go check them out. I'm gonna put a link up here. Alright, so all you have to do, you have to come over here, click on Keyword Explorer. And then down here, you will see all the trending keywords. Cool thing about it, you can divide it by countries. Like for example, if I change it right now to Turkey, boom, it's gonna change. And then Tubebuddy itself is gonna ask you for a keyword. Just type something. For this video, I think I'm gonna use Keyword Explorer. Click on Explore. So over here you will see the overall score, and then down here you will get a visual result of your keyword, which is search volume, competition, optimization strength, number of videos in search results, number of monthly searches, which is estimated. You can see two tabs next to the overall score, which they are weighted and unweighted. Weighted score represents the score specific to your channel. So Tubebuddy can identify your channel niche from previously published videos, and it tells how easy is the keyword to rank on YouTube search result if you target it. The unweighted score represents the keyword score in general. It's mostly suitable for those who wants to start a channel on the keyword related niche. Click on weighted, boom, and then it will tell you everything. This is what we need and this is what we're gonna work on. I always look at both weighted and unweighted just to see how is the overall thing and how it's gonna do, how this specific keyword is gonna do for my channel. Number of videos in the search result, it's 662k. That means there are 662k videos with this keyword. And then the monthly search would be 14.8k. My favorite part about it, it's down here, this chart. You versus top ranked videos. So this is the average view, which is 38.5k, and then this one next to it is lowest video view count found in top ranking videos. And then next to this one, you'll see your channel, or my channel. In this video, you'll see my channel, obviously. Average views for your last 5 videos. So on every videos, I get about like 200 to 500 views, and that sounds about right. The average would be 300 something. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah, and the search volume is fair, competition weighted, which is one of the most important part. Everything is important in this part, in this section. As it says over here, it says how good this keyword is to target for your specific channel based on search volume, competition, relevancy, and how you compare to other currently ranking in search. So overall, this keyword is fair. You can always find a better keyword, but this is just an example. And then this one down here, optimization strength. My biggest question. Oh god. Let me tell you about this one. This number represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phrase. If they're not well optimized, then it provides you an opportunity to break in and rank for the keyword by properly optimizing your videos, putting this keyword in your title, descriptions, and tags. So over here it says excellent. So my main question was like, what does it mean exactly? Is it my opportunity to go in, or those videos are well optimized? I did a little research and eventually I found it. So in this case, when it says excellent, it means if you optimize your video good enough, you have the chance to be in the top rank result. This part was so annoying for me, to be honest. I was like, so confusing. Alright, it's all done. Let's say you have your good content and you found your keyword. Then you have to use it in your title, in your descriptions, and in your tags. And of course, you're gonna need to use more relevant tags. This is my main target key, Keyword Explorer. In the tag section, I'm gonna use how to use Keyword Explorer in Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is gonna help you always to pick the right tags. So don't worry about the tags, you can always find tags. First thing is to find the right keyword. And then if you're not fully satisfied with the score that you got, you can look at the related searches. Tubebuddy will always recommend other keywords for you, and you can use them as a title even, because some of them are perfect for a title. And just letting you know, Tubebuddy is free. You can use the free version and it's completely useful. Actually, the starter package has limits on the Keyword Explorer. You can only see top 3 results while you're exploring a tag. And also you can use the Keyword Explorer just 25 times during the day. Well, by searching 25 times, for sure you can find the keyword. I'm sure. But if you decide to use Tubebuddy more properly and you want to use its other features, go on, upgrade it. It's worth it, I'm telling you. Right now, actually, they have 20% off on every single license. And just letting you know, I'm in the affiliation program. There's a link in the description down below. You don't have to use it, but if you choose to support me at the same time, you can use that link to buy your Tubebuddy and I'll get 30% commission for it. Again, you don't have to do it, but if you choose to support me, I appreciate you. I appreciate you anyways. I appreciate you watching this video. Alright guys, this is everything. Please give this video a like and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of this video and what you think of the whole Keyword Explorer thing in Tubebuddy. And if you have any question about Tubebuddy, feel free to ask me. You can direct message me on Instagram. You can just comment it down below or join my Discord. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, then you don't miss the new video. 418 subscribers, guys. Let's go. Subscribe, please. Thanks again for watching. Peace out. Professor Mo.